In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the tool palette in AutoCAD. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with AutoCAD, knowing how to quickly access and use the tool palette can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's begin by focusing on one of the easiest methods to open the tool palette. To get started, navigate to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD interface. This is the space where you enter commands and interact with the software in a very direct manner. In the command line, type the word TOOLPALETTES. It's important to note that for the command to be recognized, there shouldn't be any spaces. Once you've typed it in, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, the tool palette should pop up on your screen. Now that you have the tool palette open, let's explore its immense capabilities. The tool palette is essentially a versatile panel that provides easy access to a wide variety of tools, saving you time and effort in finding them individually. Within the tool palette, you'll find tools that cater to different aspects of your drawing process. Whether you're focusing on modeling, setting constraints, or working on annotations, each tool is right at your fingertips. These tools are not only organized for efficiency, but they also contain a collection of common blocks that are dynamic in nature, adjustable to suit the specific needs of your projects. For those working on architectural drawings, you have easy access to blocks like doors, windows, and other common structural elements frequently used. For engineers focused on mechanical projects, you'll be pleased to find parts such as screws and valves readily available. Those involved in electrical or civil engineering will also find this feature particularly helpful, offering a comprehensive set of elements to streamline their design processes. Incorporating the use of the tool palette into your AutoCAD projects doesn't just make tasks quicker. It allows for a more organized and strategic approach to your work. Instead of searching through menus or remembering complex commands, you have a streamlined hub to assist you in executing your projects more effectively. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've mastered the process of opening the tool palette, unlocking a wealth of resources to aid in your AutoCAD projects. As always, remember to explore the available tools and customize the palette to fit your specific work needs. This simple action will undoubtedly boost your design workflow, making your time in AutoCAD more productive and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in AutoCAD.